I'm gonna show how sound waves move through the air. This experiment sounds like fun. Put plastic wrap over a bowl and secure it with a rubber band. Tear some small pieces of tissue and put them on the plastic. Sit the bowl next to a speaker and turn on some music. The sound waves cause the tissue paper to dance around. Sound travels in the air through waves. The waves get stronger with louder volume. The waves cause the plastic to vibrate, which makes the tissue dance. Science is music to my ears. Please subscribe for more videos.